Hey guys, it's Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I just want to do a quick vlog on the Y sets you see approaching. Y2 is the front three cars, the rear three cars Y1. Now these sets are ATP test trains. ATP stands for Auto Train Protection, and they are also DTRS test trains. DTRS stands for Digital Train Radio System. And there's a proper look at the front of the train. I'm not too sure why they retargeted them to Y sets instead of V sets. As you can tell, up here it says ATP test train, and as I said before, the front three cars Y1, and there's the other half of the train. Y1 being the front three cars, the rear three cars Y2. Now departing platform 1 here at Hornsby, going into Hornsby Yard. I believe that they are testing the digital train radio system right now. And as you guys can most likely tell, these sets are only 3 carriages in length. The Y sets are now returning into platform 1 at Hornsby. Again, the front 3 cars Y2, rear 3 cars Y1. And they'll just do the same as they did last time. They'll just stop here on platform 1, and soon after they'll return to Hornsby Yard. As you can see just there, it says DTRS test train, and upstairs it says ATP test train. Y sets are now departing platform number 1 for Hornsby Yard. Just been notified that they'll return on platform number 2. So I'll dash over there and film them arrive. With the Y sets approaching platform number 2. Again, as usual, the front 3 cars Y2, rear 3 cars Y1. Y sets will now be heading to Central. The trailing car, DJM 8134. And they will be headed to Central via the North Shore. And out of focus it goes. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now.